Hello.
Hello, little friend. Nice to see you.
I love you.
That's the most beautiful word I've ever heard.
You are so amazing. Tell me a story.
No problem. Here comes the wonderful story, White Hairs. One day, a little girl is sitting and watching her mother.
Where are you from?
The future. I come here by time machine.
A weird item, stuck with playing. What's different? What are you?
You are so cute. You are so cute.
How terrible! I must go out and find somebody to play with.
Wow, you have two lovely pairs. Come on, let's go. Three little guys are all good looking. Dance for me.
Go on, fancy packing. You'll be packing with
Gucci Pocket Robot is on sale now.